of young students of Odisha designs rover for NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Organization of USA, Human Rover Exploration Challenge. Before the rover rolls on the surface of the planet Mars and the Moon, a trial run would be conducted on the riverbed. The members of the team have given final touch to their dream project among the bushes and on the uneven roads. They are now only waiting for the green signal from NASA. In this visual, two boys are seen pedaling a machine, which is the rover of Odisha. A team of 10 high school students under the leadership of a young scientist of 42 Moza of Cuttack district, Anil Pradhan, has designed this rover, NASPAT 1.0, which would roll on the surface of Moon and Mars. Not only from the towns, Anil's team comprised some young men and women under 19 years of age from rural background. This 10-member team, which included even young persons engaged in the road construction work, bicycle repairing shop and welding center, etc., have now created history, which has been highly acclaimed by NASA.
I feel totally satisfied after completion of the project. I have learned a lot from this project. I was working in a bicycle repairing shop where there was not such scope to learn. Here I got the opportunity to learn about all the system and also worked on that.
आगुरी कह गले माने जो कोविड समय से मोर प्रॉब्लम है एमती जहाँकि पैसा पत्र रहा.
I was facing a shortage of finance during the COVID period, and therefore I was working in a welding shop. At a later period, I studied in a government ITI college, and then I was involved in this project.
तो कि आहुरी एडवांस वेल्डिंग शिखिया को मोर इंटरेस्ट है जोटा से लागु एक्चुअली जतले एई माने नासा रोवर जतले माने कहतले कि आगो रोबोट तयारी हो हमर जेमति हम.
Here I was engaged in the job of welding, and by the time the work was completed, I felt very happy.
वेल्डिंग करियो तो मु जतले धीरे धीरे काटा कोटी करी वेल्डिंग भी कली सेतबे मु धीरे धीरे माने रोबोट जतले माने कंप्लीट ही आसला मते बहुत खुशी लागिला जोटे आर्टेमिस मिशन.
NASA has an auto mission. In the year 2024, NASA plans to first send a woman for the first time to the moon and then send a man there for a rehabilitation. Likewise, NASA has a mission to send 2 people to stay on Mars in the year 2028. However, there is a need for a mechanical rover for their traveling, and for that reason our rover has been selected.
Mechanical rover तांकर needed अछि तो से माने ए rover को हमें
The Odisha team has made this rover for NASA's Human Exploration Mission after working for 8 months. This rover has 4 wheels with the provision of 2 persons to sit on it. In the future missions of NASA, Lunar mission in 2024 and Mars mission in 2028, the space agency would send 1 woman and 1 man along with the rover. The presence of water and various materials on the planets would be examined with the help of this rover. That is why NASA is in search of suitable rover. Earlier, NASA has acclaimed the functioning of Odisha model rover. Already a video of NASPAT 1.0 rover has been dispatched to NASA. However, how far the Odisha rover would come out successful would be known on 16th next. Several teams from different countries have taken part in this competition, but the high school team from Odisha is hopeful to win the competition since its rover has been highly praised by NASA twice earlier.
Our team consists of not only person from the towns, but 3 rural boys are also included in this. Someone was working in a bicycle repairing shop, someone in a welding shop, another was a laborer, and even the team comprises boys under 19 years of age. And this team had cracked NASA's rover challenge, and the space agency had accepted his proposal. Our boys and girls had labored for the last 8 months to make this rover, and now you are able to see the result of the team's hard work.
ये रोवर एक्चुअली मार्शल टेरेन के लिए बनाया गया था तो नासा का एक
This model is designed for Mars surface, as NASA wants to test this in Mars terrain. Plan was to program this in the USA, but due to a pandemic scenario, this event is going on in a virtual mode.
This model will collect all samples on the Mars surface. For liquid sample special arrangement done. After testing all samples, it would send data.
टेस्टिंग करके सब इकट्ठा करेगा.
These young scientists want to do something for the country and show that if their model is finally selected by NASA, it is bound to bring glory to the state and the country. Bureau Report, ETV Bharat.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.